structure, okay? That we are gonna move on to this pad once the pad's ready. Right.
What are you guys gonna do with that wooden structure then?
That's gonna stay there. That's where that dumpster used to go. Okay.
Nice.
So you're just gonna
So
put
we
the
just
dumpster back?
moved this out of the way for the winter.
How are you gonna move it?
We're done.
We're gonna all
with
lift
the
it up
tow motor.
together? We're all gonna lift it together?
Oh, we may need some help. So we're gonna move with the tow motor. You know, we'll move all of these rooftop units, and then we'll take that condensing unit and we'll set that over here. We're gonna put pipes through the wall over here because we have 2 refrigeration lines that are gonna come to it and electrical hookup. Okay, so we're gonna have to penetrate through the wall over here and do our electrical hookup to it and also our refrigeration line. So now let's go inside. Cooling off the water. You guys want to squeeze in here? Don't listen to these guys, okay? So this is our boiler, this is our hot water that we circulate throughout the building. This building was also set up for air conditioning, but it was never put in, okay? So all the piping in here is for heating, but we have a 3-way valve up on the top, that orange valve way up on top here. We can switch that over, and what we do, we bypass our boiler, and we're gonna bring the water down through this way, and it's gonna go into this chamber right here. This little thing right here, between the refrigeration lines, okay, which is gonna be this line, and this one right here. These are our refrigeration lines. Your refrigerant will come in here, and it's gonna cool off your water side. We're gonna be making 47-degree water right in this little spot right here. Okay, and then that's gonna send out, and it's gonna go to every single room in this building. Okay.
Via air handler?
With the VIVs or?
Nope, they're actually units, wall units, that either work off of hot water or chilled water.
Oh, like a radiator?
It looks like a radiator in a room. It's about
Like in
maybe
hotels?
about this wide. Correct. Okay. So we're gonna hook up these refrigeration lines. The water lines are gonna hook into here, here, and here. These are gonna hook into here. We're gonna have our refrigeration lines that are gonna also go out to our condensing unit. Okay. Our compressor is down here. So our compressor, when it runs, it's gonna use up like half of this, and that's gonna cool the water off. Now the electrical, we are gonna pick up from over here. We're gonna have to drill a hole down in here, and we're gonna put this all in PVC pipe, and we're gonna bring this over down to the bottom. It's gonna be close to the ground here. This is our 90 coming up into our box for our main power, okay? And we're actually gonna drill a hole in here, and we're gonna pick up our power from this 200 amp circuit breaker, okay? So that's gonna power that whole unit, and then we're gonna take power off of that and also send it outside to our condensing unit, okay?
10-4.
So that's kind of our project here to get us chilled water into the first dorm that will have air conditioning, and you guys will be a big help in that. All right? And like I said, this is all part of, with you guys working like this is work experience for you. So even though we're in school, you guys can write down that you have 1 year work experience also in this field because we're doing projects like this. All right?
We're making history, buddy.